Okay, you guys, welcome back. In this short video, we're going to learn how to make and save a preset in Adobe Lightroom. Okay, so I have an image here that we've been working on, and we're pretty close in our white balance and our overall color, but I'm going to do a few more things. I think we're going to turn this into a black and white and make something very specific looking, and then we're going to save it as a preset so that we can use that on other photos. Okay, to make an easy black and white, all you have to do is go to the saturation slider over here and slide it all the way down. That gets rid of all the color and turns it into a black and white. Alternatively, you could have clicked black and white here, but I actually prefer doing it this way. It's just how I've always done it. So if you just want to see black and white, they do look slightly different. So it kind of depends how you want it to be. I'm going to undo that. Let's put it back the way I like it. I like it my way better. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's maybe lift the shadows slightly to get a little bit more out of her vest and her hair. Yes. Okay, that looks good to me. So if I'm happy with that, and I want to save that to have that type of black and white that I could use on many other photo edits, what we would do is we would go to the left here where it says presets, and then this little plus sign, you click that. Okay, it says add new presets. So you click it, and we're going to create a preset. Now, alternatively, you could buy presets online. If you found stuff online that you like and you bought a preset pack, which you see all the time, on YouTube and Instagram. If you had those and they were downloaded to your computer, you would click on import presets. But in this video, we're creating our own. So we hit create preset. Okay, and then this box opens up. So we get to choose what's included in the preset. So everything that we've done and that's applied to that picture is going to be here. The only thing that wasn't included is masking, and I'm going to keep it that way because the masking won't apply to every photo if the person's in a different position or they're sitting or standing differently. That's just not going to align properly, so I'm going to leave that unmasked. But what we are going to do then is give it a name. So just give it something where you'll remember what it is. Okay, so in this example, black and white portrait on a gray canvas. And then if I'm ever in that similar situation where I'm doing a portrait on my gray canvas, I'll remember. And maybe I want to make this a number 1 because maybe I'm going to, later on I'll make different variations of this. For now, let's just do that, okay? And then that's it. All we have to do is click create. Okay, then it was saved under user presets. So if we open this guy up over here, if we scroll down, it was called black and white portrait on gray canvas. There it is. Okay, so just so you can see, let's reset the image. Okay, so now we're back to the raw image, not processed, not white balanced or anything, just how it originally came out of camera. And then if we click on our newly added or our newly created preset, there we go. And then that's all you have to do. You don't have to do all of those steps every single time. You save it as a preset, and then it saves you a ton of time. Okay, so that's fantastic and really, really easy to do. But sometimes you just need someone to show you the process, and that's basically it. So hopefully that helped you guys, and we will see you in the next video.